Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. So I'm here in my home office and I wanted to share with you, first of all, this beautiful tree and mantle that I have here in my office. I have some rich tones here. I have a rich burgundy, a bold gold in this tree, as well as black. And the tree itself is actually a 7.5 foot flock tree that I actually purchased from Walmart. It's a 7.5 foot flock tree, and it does have a few functions. I think it has maybe 3 functions. Now I know you're seeing some twinkling going on in this tree. This tree does not have a twinkle function. I added these little twinkle lights here, these string lights. Y'all remember these string lights? You don't find these too often in trees. They're using them special little wired lights, but I like those lights. These lights actually came from Walgreens, and I didn't see them in Walgreens this year. I've had them for a few years, and they have like 16 different functions. It's the same lights that I use above my kitchen cabinets, and they also sell them at CVS, but I haven't been in a CVS to find them. So that's the tree itself. So this golden black ribbon is from Amazon. I will link it just in case you're interested in checking it out. And this golden black ribbon is also from Amazon. Now this burgundy ribbon, I purchased it on clearance from CraftX. It's been a while since I purchased it, so you may not be able to get your hands on that. And this 1-inch ribbon is also from CraftX, but you can get your hands on this. And I'm told that you can order online from CraftX, but I've never actually placed an online order. All my stuff actually that I get from there is in-store purchases. My gold ornaments balls are from Hobby Lobby, and my black ornament balls are from Hobby Lobby, and I purchased those last year. This year Hobby Lobby had a black set, but it had like a disco ball looking black in with it. So these balls here are from last year. Now let's talk about these. These are so pretty, and these are from At Home. So there's a story behind this particular ornament. So I received this beautiful vase from Z Gallery, and I actually thought it was red, but when it came, I'm like, oh my God, this is not red. This is actually burgundy. And I've never decorated with burgundy before. So I'm like, I'm going to do something with this. I am going to do something with this beautiful vase from Z Gallery. So I went ornament shopping, and lo and behold, bam, I ran into this ornament, and of course I picked up several boxes. There's 4 in a box. If you're into this vase and this color and you're into this look, check out those drapes. This is the vase for you, and you can run to at home. I'm sure they're going to have some of these left because not too many people is using that particular burgundy color because it's giving you kind of like purple vibes a tad bit, but it's actually burgundy. The vase is a really good price, and you can use my coupon HF05 and you get additional 5% off. I'm sure they're having some type of Black Friday special. So let's get into the topper. I am in love with that topper. I had no idea what I was going to do topper wise. So I just went with the flow. I'm not sure where I purchased the gold picks from. I've had them for several years. But the burgundy picks that's in the back, way back there, that's from Craftex. And then I just stuck a few gold ones in there. Likely came from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then I actually used my ribbon to be a part of my topper, and it actually came out really, really pretty. So that's the tree itself. And then at the bottom, I have a black throw, and I have that bell set that's from Sam's, and that reindeer that I've had several years, that's also from Z Gallery. Then I have this wall art. You can get your hands on this wall art from Amazon. I will link it down below. Very affordable too. I think right now they're like 60 bucks for the wall art. I think they're like 30 by 30, and I have one on each wall. And then I have those 2-page curtain drapes. These drapes are absolutely beautiful. I have the off-white with the burgundy border, and you can see it a little better here. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm waiting for my other drape set to come in for my other window. So right now I only have it on this window. I have another window in here, and once I get my other drapes, I'll come back and show you how the room looks with both set of drapes in the window. And these reindeer, I have been trying to get me some of these reindeer from Aldi's for the last 5 years or so. And I finally accidentally found some. I was over at my daughter's, and I'm like, is that an Aldi's? And she said, yeah. I went in there and they had a store full of them. So I purchased me 2 and her 2. So these are super cute. So if you notice, I have the antlers like, I have them like one going that way and one going this way. This particular deer here, I have him turned backwards. I was being creative because I wanted the antlers to be like cohesive, like going out. So I turned him backwards. You really couldn't even tell, right? If I wouldn't have said anything, that I even turned the bell going backwards. And then I purchased this tree set. It's actually 3 trees, a small, medium, and large. And I don't know why I thought I had a lot of space for all that stuff that I ordered for the holidays. But I'm only using one, which is a smaller tree. And I just have it tucked inside of the vase. And it actually runs by plug. I have it plugged in. Really, really pretty. That is such a gorgeous combination. And then I have my Homery credenza. Oh my God, I am in love with this credenza. It has that center stone, and it's super, super heavy and all that storage space. I have extra candles and decor in mine. You have the cabinet here. You have 3 there and over there. You can use it as a buffet, you know, with your plates and wine glasses and stuff like that. And then you can use it as I'm using it, which is a decor storage piece. I love, 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 love it. And then I did a video. I think I did a video and showed y'all my wall. I have these, let's see, these wall plaques here. They're like a felt material like, and they're peel and stick. And I just peeled them and stuck them on the wall. It wasn't even hard to do. Really easy. But I did have to use like some wall glue or whatever because some of them were coming down. So once I reinforced it with the glue, they stayed up very easily. So I'm going to pan on around to this side over here, which I did. I don't even think I shown y'all this. This is my mantle here. Let me tell y'all another story. So I was selling this fireplace to a couple of people, and you know, everybody was like, I want it, but nobody came over and paid. I was selling it for a little bit of nothing, because this thing will cost you every bit of $700 or $800, you know, especially since it's white and gold. It has a gold insert in there, and then you can change the colors of the actual inside of the fireplace. The reason why I was getting rid of it is because it's kind of a little tight in this little space here, and I wanted to get something thinner, possibly maybe the same one that I have in my my living room. But then I was thinking, you know, because I don't use it in that fireplace in my living room all the time, so when I don't have it in my living room, I can move it in here. But during the holiday time, I want a fireplace in here and in my living room. So I'm like, you know what? It wasn't meant for me to sell this. Let me go ahead and put it back in my office. So even if one of the ladies call me and say, hey, I'm ready to get the fireplace, I'm like, girl, you are $1 late and a day short, whatever they say, a day short and $1 late. Y'all know what I mean, right? So let's get back to it. So I have a Walmart garland. The garland came from Walmart a couple of years ago. Then I have my little bowl that I try my hand at making. I actually like this one. The one in my master bedroom, I wasn't too much feeling it. And then again, I just have these ornaments sitting here because Christmas is gonna be here and gone, and you know it. I didn't even go purchase nothing to stick them in the tree. I just have them sitting up there. The only one that's reinforced is this here big one here. Then I have these lights. These are fairy lights, and they actually you can either purchase them that runs by remote. You can either purchase them that runs by batteries, or you can purchase the ones that run by USB drive that you plug into the wall. As I have mine plugged into the wall over here, saves a lot of money by getting the ones that you plug in versus replacing the battery. It comes with a remote control. You can change the settings, and you can set it on a timer. And that's pretty much it. But if I step back, you're familiar with my desk. I have one of those electronic desks that can rise up if you want to stand up and work, and then it goes down if you want to sit down and work. I love the desk. Then I have this Jesus is the Reason for the Season sign that is actually from Hobby Lobby. And I thought it was so cute. I love it. Jesus is the reason for the season. And then over here I have two wall sconces that I've had for several years. They're from Z Gallery. And then I have my wall mirror, which is from TOV. And I then have my area rug that's from Amazon. And then if I pan up, I have my chandelier, which is, I can't even remember. Is this from Safari? I'll place a link down below on where this chandelier is from. It's been a while, but I love the crystals in this chandelier, and it's so beautiful in this space. I wanted to show y'all my bookshelf style, but I have my curtains are mixed matched. So I'm not going to show y'all the mixed match curtains. Maybe I'll come back in another video and do how I style my bookshelf with you guys. But yes, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.